What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see today, I have a case from the company called Surphy. They are on Amazon. They reached out to me and they sent me out a case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I'm just going to unbox this and try it out on my phone, and I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. It says enjoy every color. This is a Magsafe capable case. Here's the information if you want to read this for yourself. So now we're going to unbox this like so. And let's see what we're greeted with. So I've already opened this up, and I know I made a big mistake when I asked for white because the material may get dirty, but overall this does look nice. And you open it up like so. Then you are greeted with a paper which says enjoy every color. And in the inside of this is actually screen protector. And I like when companies send me screen protector with the phone case. So you would open it like so. And you're greeted with, I believe this is 2 screen protectors and some stickers. But I'm not going to open that up yet because I currently have a screen protector already installed on my phone, so I may install this a little later. So I'm going to just put this over here for now. Now back to the case. So this is what the case looks like, and like I said, I made a mistake. I should have gotten a darker color. Instead, I ended up getting this white color, so we'll see how nasty this gets. I probably won't wear this too much because of the kind of material that it has. It's soft. The case is hard, as you can see, and it does say Surphy on there. Then you have your charging LED because this has MagSafe capability. This is what the case looks like. I like that it has those cutouts for the cameras. That's really nice. Nothing at the top here. So now let's place my iPhone 15 Pro Max in like so. And just slide it in. And you do get a nice, tight, snug fit. Like I said, I am really loving this case, but I should have gotten a darker color because this may get dirty over the time and years as I'm putting it in my pocket and using it. But overall, this is what the back's looking like. I like that it has cutouts for each different camera. So if you place your phone flat on the table, you should be good to go, no problem. On this side, you do get access to your power button, nice and clicky. Down here, you get your cutouts that you would normally have, no problem there. And on this side, you do get access to your alert switch, alert button, which is nice, clicky. Then you get access to your volume up and down button, which those are nice and clicky overall. You do get a nice lip at the top, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. I just recommend you have on a screen protector for better protection. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. I just should have gotten a different color because this probably will get nasty over the years and months and days to come. But just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.